Hello everyone, I'm Amrita and today we will create a Python game. So basically you can create this game in 5 minutes because I will explain this game, so I will take more than 5 minutes. Okay, alright, so let's start. So first of all we will need a module here and the module name is random. Okay, so import random. So what does a random module do? It generates a random number. Our computer will generate a random number. Okay, so yeah, so this is module name. Okay, and here next step is to define a function name. Okay, so our function name will be like guess the number. Okay, so I think you got what will be the game gonna be. Okay, so guess the number. What will happen that our computer will guess a number. Okay, and our player will also guess the number. If your number will like match, then you will be winner. Okay, all right, so this is our function name, guess the number, and here we will encapsulate all the steps inside the function. Okay, first thing I would like to print here a message for our player, that is welcome player, simple. Okay, cool. All right, and our next step will be our computer will generate a number and it will store in a variable, and the variable name will be like number to guess. Okay, yeah, cool. So number to guess, here computer will generate a number. Okay, so this is random module and there is a rand into function. Okay, it is function. It will generate a integer number only. Okay, like between 1 to 100, this is range. Okay, got it, cool. And yes, it will count the attempt also, and okay, our attempt will be start from zero, obviously. Okay, and because it will be infinite loop, right? So that's why I will use here true, sorry, while loop. Okay, so while true, what will happen, try what, so our player will guess the number and it will store in this variable guess. Okay, and of course it will be input type. I will take input from user, so I will write here, please uh, enter a number between 1 to 100. Got it? Because it will take string type, right? So what I will do, I will convert it into integer type. Got it? Cool. And our next step will be attempt will like it will counter plus 1. Okay, cool. All right, so now what will happen, next step will be checking. Okay, let me write comment here. It will check the both number. It is like equal or not, same number or not. Okay, so first condition would be like let's suppose our user input. This is user input guess, right? So if guess is like less than number to guess. Okay, see, this is player number and this is computer number. If this number is greater than, so what I want to print, I want to print a message here for players that your number is too low, please try again. Simple. Okay, and elif, second condition, if user's number is greater than player's number, then I want to print a different message, that is please no, your number would be what, your number is too high, your number is too high, please try again. Clear? Good. And the last is else what I want to print punctuations, right? So wait a minute, because I have to count the attempts also. Okay, that's why. So congratulations, you have been. That will be great because here we are playing the guess number, right? So you have guessed the right number, and I want to print that particular number also. So number to guess, right? So number to guess, and in attempts, so I want to count that attempt also, and I will write here attempts. Okay, give some space here. Okay, yeah, cool. Because I have written here try, so of course I have to write here except also, right? Except what? So value error. Okay, so if by any chance user enter any uh, character type or you know any number like a float number, so it will give you error and it will print please enter valid valid number. Okay, cool. Valid number. Done. Okay, now what final step is to we have to call the functions. Okay, so run the game. Now call the function basically. So what will we have to call our guess the number function. Okay, that's it. Okay, now run it. Okay, so please enter a number between 1 to 100 and let me enter 50. So your number is too high. Okay, number is too high. Let me enter 40. Number is still too high. Let me enter 30. Number is too high. Let me enter 20. Number is too high. 10. Still too high. 5 too low. All right, so got it. So number is between 5 and 10 because 5, when I entered 5 it is too low, right? So I will let me enter 6, too low. Let me enter 7, too low. Let me enter 8, and yes, congratulations, you have guessed the right number. That is 8 in 9 attempts. Okay, and your number was 8. Got it? Cool. Hope so you got the game and you can try it too with your friends.